I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how you can manage your email identity. We'll focus on the distinction between your email display name and your actual email address. While you can often easily update the name people see when you send emails, changing the core email address itself is usually not possible without creating a brand new account. Understanding this difference is key to effectively managing your online communication. We'll walk through the simple steps to update your display name across various platforms. To update your email display name, the process is generally quite simple, often taking less than 1 minute. First, log into your email account and navigate to the Settings or Options menu. Look for sections like Personal Info, Profile, or Account Settings. Within these, you should find a field labeled Name, Display Name, or Sender Name. Simply type in your preferred new name, ensuring it's professional and clear, and then save your changes. It's a straightforward process across most major email providers. It's crucial to understand that your actual email address, the part before the @ and the domain, is typically fixed once created. For example, if your address is John Doe at example.com, the John Doe part cannot usually be altered. To change this, you would generally need to register an entirely new email account, which means a new address. Some providers do offer email aliases, allowing you to receive mail at multiple addresses in one inbox, but the primary address remains unchanged. After making any changes, it's a good practice to send a test email to yourself or a trusted contact to confirm the new display name appears correctly. Be patient, as it might take a few minutes, or even up to 24 hours, for the update to fully propagate across all systems. Also, consider informing frequent contacts about your new display name to avoid any confusion. Always choose a name that reflects your professional or personal brand appropriately for clear communication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.